Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you withdraw or cash out from Doordash. So let's get into the video. So if you're a dasher and if you're looking to withdraw your earnings instantly, so what you can do is that as per the article from Doordash official site, what you can do, you can easily cash out by using the fast pay option. So what you have to do is just like, as you know, you need to, once you've signed up, and then once you've signed up, you have to wait for a 7-day processing period initially to before you can actually withdraw something from your from your DoorDash account. So once you have passed all those period and everything, and now you want to withdraw your deposits. So what you can do, you can go to your Dasher app. So if you're a Dasher, so go to your Dasher app, and then on your Dasher app, if you click on settings, you will see the under settings, you will see the earnings tab. So on the earnings tab here, what you're going to do, you will see the deposits and transfer link on the earnings tab. So just click on it. All right, once you click on it, and then what you have to do is just click on cash out with fast pay. All right, so this will actually transfer your weekly earning directly to your debit card account. All right, but there is a small fee as mentioned here for it, but you can, and also you can only do this once a day. So that's how, if you want to quickly get a cash out, this is the only option you have. And also keep in mind that this option is only available in certain countries. I'm not sure if it's available in all the countries yet. So other than this, then if this other option is just, you just simply have to transfer it to your bank account, your usual bank account, and then withdraw it or cash out from your bank account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you. I will see you in another video. Thank you.